with our favorite Friday episode of Leash Recall. So what's happening here is we're adding Delbert to the mix. And Bronson is that's his little friend. So he likes to chase me. All right, come on, let's go. Bronson! Good. Do that. Good boy. All right, let's go. Up through. So, you guys see what a beautiful day it is out today. Blade, our new cameraman's working out great. Sure, he makes a lot of funny faces behind the camera, but I don't say anything. Oh, I didn't show Blade how about the fish either. Here, come over here. I gotta show Blade the fish real quick. Even the fish are trained. All right, no more of the fish. All right, let's go. All through. So remember, we're waiting for them to have their back turned. To tell the lawn people, I wanted them to mow like little walking trails through there. Don't you think that'd be good? You know, just go where it's not, you know, go with the, you know, path of least resistance, but then have a little walking trail out there. All right, get that.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
Get that little black and white one here on that day. Duke! Good boy. Blade's vernacular is very current. Now started adding a lot of new things to our vocabulary, like word, truth, sick. So when you guys hear me using that, you'll know where that came from. All right, watch out. All right, let's go. Talking to you for any minute. Alright, so this is Doberman's kind of chasing Bronson. That's going to be a good time. That's when you want to get him. Greta! Good. Good girl. You saw how that pager whipped her around. Good. All through. Look how much fuller the pond is. Since last weekend, I don't know if I told you guys that, but it just poured down rain for Hurricane Sandy. Greta? Donzie! Good. Good. Good girls. Good. Donka. So you guys see I got them in a full runaway, even though they actually both turned around. I only had the pager on one. You couldn't see me fumbling over here. Anyway, we'll try to get one little call on the deaf one. Uh-oh, Bronson's kind of bugging his sister. No! right, get on Bronson right there. I'm going to get him with the mitt. Bronson! Good, good. So that's how you kind of defuse that, you guys. Rather than saying no, 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 I just went pop, pop, pop with my nick and spun him out of that situation. Uh-oh, my little springer's springing off into the bushes. Hence the name. See if he does that again, we'll be ready. All right, now I can do a little recall on my deaf one here, so he's not too far away. See how they stay pretty focused. All right, there goes the little springer over there. Duke! All right, look, there goes the deaf one. Get on that deaf one. Silent recall. All right, guys, we got to go. I got to get the dogs fed and get to the gym. Bye, you guys.